Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am just doing a quick pop-up show because it's going to be at 99 degrees and I am making homemade lemonade. Now I'm actually doing my last lemon. I'd say it took about 6 lemons. And you need 1 cup of lemon juice, which I think I've got perfect amount. And I'm going to put this into the pitcher here. And you're going to put 3 cups of water. Look how easy this is. And we're going to put 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And I am going to start mixing this. And you want to mix it just till the sugar dissolves. So I'd say about a minute. I'm going to keep stirring and I'll be right back. So here it is. I stirred it for about a minute till all the sugar dissolved. And I want to thank my daughter for buying me this beautiful pitcher and also the cups, and then for my son donating this beautiful tray. Look how beautiful this setting is for a nice summer day to take out to the pool. So the very first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pour some lemonade, and I have a really cool garnish that I've done before, and this makes about 4 servings here, and you're going to see how cool this dragon fruit garnish is going to look in the cup. So you just drop them in and they end up making cool little streaks in the glass. And this is a really cool garnish. And I'm going to put maybe 4 of them in, and they'll start like melting, and you'll see on the side they'll start like making the lemonade a really cool color. And that's how easy this summer drink is. I'm going to put a little garnish on both of these, and guess what? I got these beautiful straws at the Dollar Tree. How adorable is that? And here is your beautiful summer drink. I'm going to stir it around a little. Let's try this one. And is it turning pink yet? There it is. It's so gorgeous. And I hope you enjoyed this show. Fresh homemade lemonade. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next Maria's Kitchen. Prayers to command the morning. Lord, make the outgoings of the morning to rejoice. Psalm 65:8. I receive your loving kindness every morning. Psalms 143:8. Release the beauty of your holiness from the womb of the morning. Psalms 110:3. Let your light break forth in my life as the morning. Psalms 58:8. Let your judgments come upon the enemy morning by morning. Isaiah 28:19. Lord, come visit me every morning. Job 7:18. Lord, you will visit me every morning. Lord, you awaken me morning by morning. You waken my ear to hear as the learned. I will not be afraid of the arrow that flies by day or the terror that comes at night. You cover me and hem me in on every side. Thank you, God. Good morning.